Oliver is from Henan Dream Holdings, and our company has already established for 11 years. So basically, we got more than 13 years to do the provide you about the machines, and currently we are in our factory, which is located in Jiaozuo, Henan, China. But we do also have our overseas office in Nigeria. And if you didn't subscribe to this channel, do give me the subscribe. Next time when we do a live stream, I'll be noted at the first. Welcome to the live stream, ladies and gentlemen. Haven't seen you for a really long time, and right now let's directly get into our factory and check about the machines and about the technology that you guys normally interested about. I mean, for our company, Henan Glory Oil and Fats Engineering Company is one of the subsidiary company of Dream Holdings, and is a comprehensive oil machine manufacturing enterprise, integrating processing design, technology research and development, manufacturing, sales and after-sales service. And we concentrate on global market. We produce 100% exported to all over the world, with international sales team of more than 30 people, 5 senior process engineers, 7 mechanical design senior engineers, and about 100 manufacturer workers. We are dedicated to build itself into a long-leading engineering and technology company, and the products have been exported to more than 25 countries and regions like Italy, Macedonia, Turkey, Iran, Egypt, Mexico, Haiti, Congo, Uganda, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Malaysia, and more than 40 countries and regions. Country control locking machines, automatic welder, large plate bending rolls, physical and medical laboratory, X-ray flow detection room, and so on. If you guys do need anything that is related to oil and fats business, especially for the palm oil, palm kernel oil, rapeseed oils, you can just easily say something in the comment to let me know that you are here and you want to know more detailed information. And thank you so much, Wendy Wong, for put our information in the comments. Thank you so much. Currently, you guys are watching about the machine. It is actually our digester and also our thresher. It is used for the palm oil pressing line. And for this slide, we will show the edible oil processing machines manufacturer. And if you are interested about oil and fats, quickly join us. And our WhatsApp number is +X 135 2662 7860. And this is the inside for the digester, and there is a pipe around the machine which is called the steam pipe. Bring the high temperature to this whole process, so soften the fruit, discrete the like the soy made, and to avoid the increase for the FFA, so which can guarantee the final quality of our palm oils. Not only for palm oils, but also for some like the common oils, like ordinary oils like the rapeseed oil, peanut oils, we can all produce in the equipments, and for different capacities from 1 ton per hour to 200 per hour equipment. It is all about our business. If you want to know more, let me know by saying something in the comment. All right, do not hesitate. This is our digester. We will use this machine at the beginning part of the processing plant. And for several days before, we have already shown like the processing technology, especially for the 3D videos. I believe if you have already followed us, you must be getting tired with the 3D videos, because I have already showed that for thousands of times. And this one is our thresher to thresh all of the fruits out of the bunches so that we can easily collect them. I mean, at the bottom there are a lot of gaps. So all of the fruits will drop at the bottom, and we can collect all of the fruits by using the belt conveyor or screw conveyor. So you can easily set one of the machines at the below to collect the fruits. And when this machine is working, it will rotate in regular speed to thresh the fruits out of it. And we also got the blue cart, or some people would like to call like a blue trolley, to collect the empty bunches. It is more like a bundle, so that when it rotates, all of the fruits will out of this machine, and you can easily collect all of the fruits by using the trolley. And this is inside for the digester paddles and stirs, it is adopted inside to digest all of the fruits, get into small pieces to digest it first, so that we will, when all of the fruits get into the pressing machine, it will be much more easier. And the next one, check about here. This is all about our accessories, and check about the left part. Check about the left part. It's about our blue cart. It is like the bundle with the thresher. So for this whole processing line, we do got the steam boiler, which you can burn the empty bunches by using the blue trolley. When you buy this thresher, we will send some of the trolley as a gift. Yes, check about it. All of the empty bunches will out of the thresher, and you can easily use this one to collect them. If there's anything that you want to know, you can just directly put your question in the comment, or leave your WhatsApp number or your email address or anything that you need in the comment. Our assistant will contact with you immediately. Immediately show you more detailed information about our processing technology and also for our machines. And let's keep going. This one, it is inside our factory, which all of the factory and all of the machine, it is produced by ourselves, which means there is no middleman. The price, it is really good. These are about our workers. We got more than 200 workers producing the equipments. Hey, welcome to the live stream. Haven't seen you for a really long time. If you didn't subscribe this channel, do subscribe right now. This is our bell conveyor to transport all of the fruits from the first machine to the second. And let's keep going. If you want to see any machines over here, you can just let me know. We have done the oil and fats business since 2011. So we got more than 13 years experiences, and especially for today, we got shipping. There are a lot of machines about to ship to, I believe it is Kenya. One of our Kenya customers have already ordered the equipment. So for today, we will also show you guys how do we do the shipping. By the way, just like I said, our equipment has already exported to more than 40 countries and regions. Our company, all of the machines, it is made by ourselves, so it is basically made in China, which can guarantee the quality. And by the way, we do have 1-year warranty. So in this year, if there's anything bad happen with the machines, if it is damaged, you can take a video or take a picture to us, so that we can give you about the better solution in 24 hours, which is in a really high efficient way, because we got after sales team working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is about the truck about to shipping the material, shipping the machine directly to Kenya. Alright, let's check in more about oil and fats machines, especially for the presser. I know there are a lot of people who do want to know more about our presser. And for this one, it is our dewatering machine. No, not like the dewatering machine. It is like the destoner. So if your material is directly get it from the farmland, by using the truck, you can directly put all of them again to this machine. So when it's working, it will keep vibrating and remove all of the heavy impurities like the stones or some bigger heavy impurities by using this one. So normally I will call it like pre-treatment machine. And let's go checking more about the machines over here. If there's anything that you are interested about, you can just let me know. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, checking about the big machines. Hey Windy, haven't seen you for a really long time. This is Oliver from China. And please let me know where are you from. Yeah, check about over here. This big tank, it is used for the refinery plant, and we got different size, different capacities machines from 1 ton per hour to like 100 tons per hour's machine. We all have in stock, and this one it is really large. You can check about by its size. This is a bigger one. So in this tank, we will do the degumming, deacidification, decolorization, and deodorization to remove the impurities, because no matter in which way you collect the crude oils, it is not like the edible oils. It is just crude oils. You have to remove all of the impurities by using those big tank. And there's something I always want to show you guys. It's about how do we do the refinery plant, because I have been asked by so many people how do we do the refinery plant, and I have already showed so times about our like the 3D videos, and still some people want to know more about how we do the refinery plant. I mean, first of all, for these machines, our developed oil refining equipment has unique skills, stable performance, high mechanical and advanced technology index. Besides, serious products we also can make reasonable combination according to your requirement, and the recently developed small typeset equipment daily treatment, it is more like 300 to 3000 kilogram, has combined the main kinds of so equipment, has its own feeding hot origin, do not need to buy steam stove, low investment, quick effective, also cover few areas, and the equipment has multi functions, can be used not only to produce international first second oil, but also high cooking oil and salad oil. It's an ideal equipment for city or town oil processing plants. Welcome coming to the live stream. I mean, the main function for the refinery is to enhance the oil storage ability, to improve the oil flavor and improve the oil color, and to provide a raw material for oil and fat deep processing products. And as we all know, there are so many impurities it is inside of the crude oils, like the sediment, powder, cake residue, moisture, and also some colloidal impurities like phospholipids, proteins, sugars, and other lower breakdown, and also for free fatty acids, sterols, tocopherols, pigments, fatty alcohol waxes, and like some toxins, pesticides. It is all mixing together. So normally we will using these equipments to do degumming, deacidification. As for degumming, we will add 85% or 75% food grade phosphoric acid, and the amount of the phosphoric acid accounts for 0.05% to 0.2% of the oil weight. Generally, the degumming section is not set separately for intermittent or semi-continuous refining, but it is completed in the same equipment with the alkali refining section. And currently, you guys are watching about our double screw palm oil presser, which there are screws, two screws it is inside. And we also got different capacities machines from 1 ton per day to 100 to 200 per day machines. Okay, let's back to the refining plant. So for the deacidification, we will add a certain concentration of a certain amount of NaOH, acid-based neutralization reaction, so as to achieve the purpose of removing free fatty acids in oils. And as for the decolorization, we will add 1 to 3% of the oil weight of the decolorization agent, do the physical adsorption, and then filter equipment to separate the oil and decolorization agent, so as to achieve the purpose of the colorization. And the last step is about do the deodorization. It is normally in a high temperature of 220 to 260 degrees, and under a certain vacuum condition, a certain amount of the superheated steam is pumped into the oil for stripping, and the purpose of the deodorization is achieved according to the different volatilization volatilization points of grease and other small molecules. Welcome to the live stream. If there's anything that I can do for you, just let me know by put your question in the comments.
This is the input for the palm fruits, and this is the outlet for the palm kernels and the fibers. So you guys may notice what is the use for this one. Welcome Eric Huang. Welcome to the lab. This is Oliver from Henan Doing Company. Our company has done the oil and fats business about 10 years. To be specific, that is 12 years, which means a decade. And we do accumulate so many successful experiences during this decade. And right now, I'm about to show you the double screw palm oil presser. And this is the double screw of the oil squeeze. After producing about the squeeze, we have done the polish job. So right now, if you touch it, it is a really, really smoothly one. So when the palm fruits get in touch with this squeeze, it will not easily cause the problems of the plug. To increase the oil rate and lower the residue oil rate, a really high quality one. And after pressing for the palm fruits, as we all know, the palm kernels, it is also inside of the palm fruits. So the kernels will get into this part. You can easily to collect it about the palm kernels and the fibers. And later I will show you the palm kernel oil presser so that you can know more for that. And this is a small capacity double screw palm oil presser. And you may notice this is the bigger size one, and that is even bigger size one. Let me come closer to show you the bigger size one. We have 1 ton per day, 10 ton per day, 50 ton per day, 100 ton per day. So tell us your needs. We can have your recommendation for you. And by the way, we do have the best engineering team in China. We do have the best engineering team in China. So if you like to purchase the equipment in China, like with the lower price, with the high quality, just if you like to do the oil and fats business, especially for the palm oil business, just contact to us. We have the best amazing experiences. And you guys can see it is really smooth. It is a really bigger size one. And right now, let me show you about this plate filter here, which is placed together. And for this one, it is a 3 ton per hour. 3 ton per hour plate filter here. So for this equipment, all the crude oils, if you have already pressed it, if you have already obtained the crude oils, you can put all the crude oils get into this machine, and it will through all the meshes one by one. You can check. This is the meshes. This is the meshes here. Can you see that clearly? This is the meshes here. All the crude oils will through all the meshes here one by one, and to remove like the very tiny impurities, and also for the water content to make sure that final oil quality, it is high quality oils. And for that equipment, it is our cooker. And let me show you more for the cooker. So for this cooker, it only has one LED. This is the inlet, and also this is the outlet. And let me come closer to show you. You can see there is a spiral here, which is a really special design. When the oil seeds get into this equipment, when the equipment is working, the inside is rotary. So all the oil seeds will keep rotary, so that we can easily to control the humidity, the water content, or like the temperature. Make all the oil seeds into the situation that we need. And
yeah, check about this machine. This one, it is called our cooker. There is just one. This is the inlet, and by the way, it is also the outlet. So one of the palm kernels get into this one, it will rotate with the special design like the helix. And after you have already done with the cooking, you can easily turn about the rotate direction. So all of the cooked oil seeds will out of this machine. in a really high efficient way. And if you guys do have any questions, directly put your question in the comments. And for today's live stream, can you guys hear me? Yeah, I'm sure you guys can hear that. And this is our factory, which is based in China, but we do have our overseas office in Nigeria. If you guys do want to know more detailed information about our company, about our factory, contact with us by put your email address or your WeChat or your WhatsApp number in the comment. Our assistant will contact with you right away. This is our worker. It is producing the equipment for you. All of the machines, it is produced by ourselves, and it will ship directly to you. So which means no matter for the cost, for the time and money, it is the best. And Dream Holding, founded in 2011, is an industrial diversified machinery manufacturing company. It has 6 corporate entities: 新乡 doing renewable engineering equipment, 焦作 City doing mechanical equipment manufacturing company, Henan doing environmental protection technology company, and also for Henan Glory Oil and Fats engineering company, Henan Jirenfu engineering company, and Henan doing machinery Nigeria with overseas warehouse. And this one, it is our digester, which I have already showed you guys for so many times. And this one, it is our steam pipe. And let's go to the next machine over here. This is more like the separator for the palm kernel and shells, because if you want to press the palm kernel oils, you have to separate about the shells first, because the shells do not have the oil content, and sometimes it will damage about our machine. So before we do the pressing for the palm kernels, you better to separate about the shells. And this is our special design. This is our screw conveyor to do the transportation for our raw materials. And this is like the separator, separating column. Because the weight for the kernels, it is much more heavier, so all of the shells, all of the kernels will drop to the bottom, and all of the shells will collected by the cyclone, to avoid all of the shells flying in the factory, to make sure that our factory is clean and tidy. This is our separating column. Hey, Mr. Ho, happy to see you. How's your day going? How's your day going? If there's anything I can do for help to show you about our processing technology, let me know by saying something in the comments, alright? And this is our separating column, and let's to show more things about our factory and about our company. We are the suppliers for all of the machines, and all of the machines it is produced by ourselves. So this one, it is our presser. We do have different types of the presser. This one, it is suitable for ordinary oils, pressing, like for example like the peanut oil pressing, and also for like the palm kernel oil pressing, like the sunflower oil pressing. You can all using this way. This is an inlet for the oil seeds, and at the bottom you guys will find the outlet for the crude oils. The oil residue rate for this machine, it is around 3% to 5%, but it is actually depend on how do you use these machines and what kind of the oil seeds do you have. If you do it well and appropriate, the oil residue rate, it is around 3% to 5%, the low oil residue rate. And we do have different capacities machines from 1 ton per hour to 100 tons per hour machine. It is all in stock. Hey, thank you so much, Mr. Ho. This is our palm kernel oil presser. If there's anything else you want to know more, you can also let me know by say something in the comments. And this one, it is our sterilization. It is our sterilizer. And the machine that you are currently watching, it is our fruit cage. It is made of stainless steel, so it is really durable for the high temperature. And for one of the sterilizer, you can input 4 of the fruit cage. So yeah, it is a really large machine. And is there anyone know why we put the sterilizer at the first step for the palm oil pressing line? The first reason, we can soften the fruit. So later on, at the threshing part, we can easily collect about the palm fruits, and we will destroy the adamase inside of the palm fruits and to avoid the increase for the FFA to guarantee the final quality. And for our sterilizer, we do also have different capacities. 1 tons per day, 100 tons per day, 200 tons per day, even some bigger machines, we can all provide you that. If you want to do the oil and fats business, we are the supplier, we are the producers for all of the machines. If there's anything that I can do for showing about our machines, you can just let me know. And we do have the best engineers team, which we do got more than 50 engineers. And if you need a customized design, our engineers can make that. And all of our engineers, it is graduated from the only university which have the oil and fats majors. And for this too, it is our small capacity presser. It is our small capacity presser. Like 500 kilogram per hour or 1 ton per hour, you can all using the machine. And by the way, since this year, we started to have our overseas office in Nigeria. So if you are living in the nearby countries or nearby cities, welcome to have a visit. And our engineers and some of our sales manager will also be there introducing the equipment for you. And this one, it is our palm kernel oil presser, which I have already shown you the details. And for those big machines, it is our refinery plant, and I have already explained about how we do for the refining plant. But let me do it again. For the degumming, why do we put the degumming and put it in the first step of the process? First of all, because the glutinous impurities not only affect the stability for the oil, but also it will affect the technological effect of the oil refining and deep process. It is easy to emulsify the oil, and in the next step, the oil in the alkali refining process will also promote emulsification, increase the operation difficulty, and increase the refining consumption and the consumption of auxiliary agents, and reduce the quality of the soil food. In the deodorization process, the absorbent consumption was increased and the decolorization effect was reduced. So the glue is removed first to reduce the impact on subsequent sections. And the specific process, we will add phosphoric acid, and we will add a certain proportion of hot water to the gross oil so that the colloidal impurities absorb water and then separate from the oil after condensation. Hey, welcome to the live stream. This one, it is our double screw palm oil presser. It is like a double screw one. And after reproducing the squeeze, we have done one more step. We polish about the squeeze to make it really smooth, so all of the palm fruits get into these machines. It will not easily cause the problems of clogging, which it is a really common things happen to most of the pressers. But in our machines, that will never happen because the machines, it is really high efficiency and well made. And these are the small capacities palm oil presser. Also, we got double screw palm oil presser and single screw palm oil presser at the same time. For the single screw palm oil presser, the capacity is normally around 500 kilogram to 800 kilogram per hour. But for the double screw palm oil presser, the capacity is getting bigger from 1 ton per hour to 50 ton per hour equipment. We can all produce that. And this is some other different kind of the presser. It is suitable for the ordinary oils like the sunflower oils. And this one, It is actually our destoner, which I have already shown this one before. So due to the gravity, all of the stones and heavy impurities will discharge by using the destoner. Do you have any questions? If you do, put your question in the comment to let me know, so that I will know what kind of materials, what kind of machines that I can do for showing you. And this is for the accessories, especially for the gas and liquid separator, for the collector, for the heater. It is all around here. Good afternoon. Currently in China, it is 5 in the p.m. Alright, for the decolorization, the specific process is more like in the decolorizing tower and negative pressure, we will add 1 to 3% of the oil weight of the decolorizing agent, do the physical adsorption, and then filter equipment to separate the oil and the decolorizing agent so as to achieve the purpose of decolorization. And the pigment components in vegetable oils are very complex, mainly includes about the carotene, flavonoid pigments, and some other impurities. And the oil decolorization is commonly used by adsorption decolorization, the clay. And the principle of adsorption decolorization method is to use the adsorbent with a strong adsorption power to absorb pigments and other impurities in the hot oil, and to remove the adsorbent pigments and impurities while filtering the adsorbent so as to achieve the purpose of decolorization and purification. This is the outside for our workshop. From this part to over there, it is all about our factories. The final amount for the Chinese factory, it is about 40,000 square meters, 2 really huge factories. And since this year, we started to have our Nigeria factory, which is located in Sagamu, Lagos, Nigeria. I haven't been there yet, but if you want to have a visit, welcome. And our engineers and the sales manager will also be there for introducing equipment for you guys. This is the whole factory. Do you have any questions? And this is the thresher for the palm oil pressing line. So at the bottom there are a lot of gaps. So the fruits will drop by the gaps. Better for us to collect the fruits. And the length, it is long enough to thresh all of the fruits out of the bunches, like 2.5 meters. Or if you got bigger capacities, we do got bigger machines. This is our digester. The inside do have a lot of the paddles and stirrers. So when it is working, it will rotate in a real high speed. And this is our steam pipe. Thank you so much for your like. You guys are really amazing. And these are the workers producing the equipment. I mean, the temperature in the factory is really hot, even though it is in October. No, it's not in October anymore. And by the way, today we got the shippings, so you guys can check about the yellow box. And let's go check some details for how do we packing for the shipping. Most of the time we will still using the truck to do that, but sometimes we will using the hanger to make it because it is really heavy machines.
And for this one, they just told me all the equipment will ship to West Africa. Talking about this, our company have done a lot of our shipment have been shipping to all over the world. Subtropical area, tropical area, Southeast Asia. For example, like Uganda, Nigeria, about 100 countries. And right now we are doing the packing. All the equipment will ship to West Africa really, really soon. Alright, let's keep checking the equipment. And if you do any recommendations or suggestions for the palm oil business, oil and fat business, leave it in the comments. Let's have a deep discussion about it. This is how we do the packing. By using this cutting machine, we will cut all the wood into the wooden box, just like this. And we also put the plastic cover at its inside so that protect all the equipment. So make sure all the equipment you obtain, you get, it is a whole one. We will, according to the equipment size, to make the wooden box. Welcome, Showquat. How are you? Host Ben, welcome to the live. Currently, today's topic it is about the factory tour. So if you do like to know any details for the equipment or the processing line, just type in the comment area to let me know so that we can show you more. And let's check about this box, shipping box. There is a huge hook. Normally we will call it like a hanger. And right now we about to do the packing.
And this is the inside for the digester. There are paddles, there are stirrers, it is all inside to digest our fruits before we do the pressing. And here it is steam pipe. It is all made of stainless steel, really durable and resistant. This is our plate filter to remove the tiny impurities and also for the water content. I mean, some people will call it like humidity. It is like the same thing to remove the tiny impurities. And we also got different capacities. We normally will use this one in the palm kernel oil pressing line. In the palm oil pressing line, it have the better performance in this pressing technology. And we got different types of the. All right. Welcome back here. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is our palm oil presser. No, the plate filter. These two are our sales manager, so they are checking about the machines with our clients by taking the videos and the pictures. Let our clients know what is happening here, like any specific details. We also would like to share them. Welcome UT, hi. And also for the ST, these are our workers doing their jobs to producing the equipments. And especially we can provide you the oil presser, the solvent extractor, the refinery plant, and some machines like these. And let's check about how do we do the shipping. And this one, I believe will ship to West Africa in a really short time. And for all of our machines, we do got 1 year's warranty. Hey, welcome Gary Wei. Welcome to the live stream. Currently, we are showing you about our palm oil pressing line. And for this video, for currently we are in the China's factory. In the Jiaozhou, China, but we also got our overseas office and overseas factory in Nigeria, Sagama, Lagos, Nigeria. So if you are living in the nearby countries or living in the nearby cities, welcome to have a visit Gary Wei. Oh, you are not here anymore. Wish you have a good day. Wish you have a good day though. Hey, welcome As. How are you? Happy to see you here. And currently we are doing the packing for our machines. We are do the packing, and also for this one we are using the hanger to hang our machines and lift it up and moving it to the shipping box. If you didn't subscribe about our channel or follow this channel, subscribe it right now, because for different week we are showing you different things about our company and our processing technology. We got the 3D video, the pictures and feedback from our provider clients. It is all waiting for you right now. we are hanging, lift all of the machines up and moving it get into the shipping box. And by the way, our live stream will be end after 10 minutes later, so if you do have questions, let me know. Bye now. Alright, before I ending today's live stream, can you hear me? If you guys can hear me, let me know. Say something in the comments. Please do that. This is Oliver from Henan Dun Holdings, and we can provide you the solvent extractor, the oil presser, not only for palm oil, palm kernel oils, but also for the... Oh, you cannot hear that? How about right now? Still, right? What happened? Can you hear me right now? I think the voice it is getting better, right? Still, what happened?
By our workers.
The voice getting better. I don't know what happened with the voice, but anyway. These are our workers moving the equipments, shipping the equipments from our factory to the shipping box, and it will move to ship to Nigeria. No, not Nigeria, West Africa in a really short time. Hey, thank you so much for a like. Thank you so much for a like. Our company is called Henan Glory Oil and Fats Engineering Company, as one of the subsidiary companies of Dun Holdings. Is a comprehensive oil machine manufacturing enterprise, integrating process design, technology research, and development, manufacturing, sales and after-sales service, and we concentrate on global markets. Produce are 100% exported all over the world, with international sales team of 30 people, 5 senior process engineers, 7 mechanical design senior engineers, about 100 manufacturer workers. We are dedicated to build itself into a leading engineering and technological company. The products have been exported to more than 40 countries and regions like Italy, Turkey, Egypt, Mexico, Haiti, Congo, Uganda, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Malaysia, and Glory Factory all comes over than 20,000 square meters, which has a modern production capacity with digital controlling machines, automatic welder, large plate bending rolls, physical and chemical laboratory, X-ray flow detection room, and so on. And Henan Glory always adheres to our entrepreneurial business philosophy and brand culture, pressure to redefine the connotation of intelligent manufacturing in China with fast-class technical products. And over the years, Henan Glory has rapidly developed into the leading production and export based on cooking oil equipment in China, with its advanced manufacturing technology and innovative manufacturing concept. So far, our products and service have spread more than 30 countries and regions like Russia and those countries I have already mentioned. So we can provide you 4 sets of the equipment, including oilseed pretreatment and pressing line, solvent extraction line, refining line, fractionation and winterization line, and dewaxing line, and storage, packaging, filling, laboratory testing equipment. And also for the single equipment like the oil presser, just like this one, and also for the roaster filter, we can also provide you that. And this is our presser for the ordinary palm oil seeds, like the sunflower oil seeds, like the peanut seeds, and also for the palm kernel. Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to the live stream. This is our double screw palm oil presser. Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, I think the voice it is getting better. I think it might be your headphones, because currently the voice it is clear. And these are the motor that we got. Motors. And this is our refinery plant. And I have already explained about our machines and about our processing technologies. By the way, 3 minutes later, I will ending that. If you haven't added our WhatsApp number or contact with us by using the email, do it right now. After this live stream, we still got a lot of projects need to do. So if you do have any questions, or if you do want to require any of the machines, you can contact with us by sending the message or by using the email. If there's no further question, I will wish you guys have a really wonderful Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Finally, Friday is coming. Wish you guys have a really wonderful week, and I will see you guys next week. By the way, this is Oliver from Henan Jing Holdings. We provide you about the equipments, and we have already done those business since 2011. So we have already done that more than 13 years. If there's anything that we can do for helping, just let us know. And by the way, our company and our factory, it is all based in China, but we started to have our overseas office and overseas factory in Nigeria. If you are living in the nearby, if you want to, before you place the order, you want to check about the materials, about the machines, contact with us, and we will do our best to supply about our processing technology and also about our machines. Alright, I think that will be all for today's live stream. Wish you guys have a really wonderful Thursday. If you do need the equipments, contact with us anytime that you want. We got the 24 hours a day, 7 days a week service. It is waiting for you. Alright, that will be all for today's live stream. Wish you guys have a wonderful week. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. And also here I still got say bye bye to you guys. Wish everyone going good. If you do need the machines, contact with us immediately without hesitation, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.